Hi, I'm Kristin Omdahl, and thank you for joining me for the September Mystery Crochet Along. In this pattern, you're going to find charts, written instructions to make a really cool and unique crochet bag pattern. You'll find the link in the video description below to download the pattern, and in the next 4 videos, I'm going to show you step by step how to make this bag. Video part 1 is released to the public so that everybody can get a chance to try out the beginning of the pattern, and then videos 2, 3, and 4 will be available exclusively to everyone who downloads the pattern. Everything is listed in the video description. Let's get started. For the first motif, we're going to start with a chain 5 ring, chain 5, and slip stitch to the 5th chain from your hook to form a ring. Round 1 begins with a chain 3, which counts as a double crochet. And we'll work a double crochet in the ring. This is the ring here. Yarn over your hook, insert your hook in the ring, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Chain 1, and work 2 double crochets in the ring. We're going to do chain 1, 2 double crochets in the ring, 6 more times. Then we're going to single crochet in the 3rd chain of the beginning chain 3. So insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook. That single crochet counts as our last chain 1 space. So at the end of round 1, you should have 8 chain 1 spaces and 16 double crochets. Round 2 begins with a chain 3, which counts as a double crochet, and we're going to work a double crochet in this chain 1 space equivalent, or underneath that single crochet from the previous round. Whoops. Try not to grab your tail. Chain 1 and 2 double crochets in the next chain 1 space. Chain 1. In the next chain 1 space, work 2 double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochet. Our repeat for this round is chain 1, 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochet. You want to repeat that all the way around. Then at the end of the last repeat, we'll work 2 double crochets in the last chain 1 space, chain 1, and we've partially started our first corner at the beginning of the round, so underneath that single crochet that counted as the chain 1 space here, we're going to work 2 more double crochets. So we started the round with 2 double crochets, ended the round with 2 double crochets, and then we're going to do a chain 3 equivalent for the corner, which is chain 2 and single crochet to the top chain of that beginning chain 3. Chain 2 single counts as the equivalent of a chain 3 space for that corner. And it is for our last chain 3 space throughout the rest of the motif. So this is what your work should look like at the end of round 2. You should have 4 chain 3 corners and 8 chain 1 spaces. Round 3 begins with a chain 3, which counts as a double crochet in that same space, which means we're going to work under that chain 2 single, which is the chain 3 space equivalent, chain 1, 2 double crochets in the next chain 1 space, and then we'll work chain 1, 2 double crochets in the next chain 1 space a second time, chain 1, and then in the next chain 3 space we'll work 2 double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochet, our repeat for this round is chain 1, 2 double crochets in the next chain 1 space, times 2, chain 1, 2 double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochet in the next chain 3 space, and let's repeat that all the way around. Okay, and same as in the previous round, our last corner is partially worked at the beginning of the round and then finished at the end of the round. So we'll work 2 double crochets in that same chain 3 space equivalent, chain 2, and single crochet in the third chain of the beginning chain 3, and that counts as our last 2 double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochet corner. And this is what your work should look like at the end of round 3. You should have 12 chain 1 spaces and 4 chain 3 corners. Each round going forward for the motif is going to be just, in the same established pattern that we have here, except we're always going to increase by 1 chain 1 space on each side, or 4 total per round, and always have these corners in the corners. So let's do round 4, chain 3, double crochet in that same space. So that part's the same as the previous round. And then the chain 1, 2 double crochets in the next chain 1 space. Instead of doing it 2 times per side on the previous round, we're now going to do it 3 times per side on this round. Then chain 1 and do the same corner in the chain 3 space, which is 2 double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochet. Okay, so our repeat for round 4 is chain 1, 2 doubles, 3 times, then chain 1, 2 double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochet. You want to repeat this all the way around.
And then we'll finish our corner that we started in the beginning of the round by finishing it with 2 double crochets, and then the chain 3 equivalent of a chain 2, and single crochet to the top chain of the beginning chain 3 to join. So that's the same as every round previously and every round going forward as well. This is what your work should look like at the end of round 4. You should have 4 chain 3 corners, and you should have 16 chain 1 spaces around. Round 5 is again, we're going to be repeating rounds 3 and 4 in the established pattern. Only difference is now we'll have chain 1, 2 double crochet 4 times along each side. So we'll start the round with a chain 3 that counts as a double crochet in the same space. The first half of our corner is done here. Then it's chain 1, 2 double crochets in the next chain 1 space 4 times. Two double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochet in the next chain 3 space corner. And now we're working in that established pattern. Chain 1, 2 double crochet in the next chain 1 space times 4, chain 1, 2 double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochet in the next chain 3 space. And you want to repeat this all the way around. Okay, now we'll finish our last corner by working 2 double crochets into the same chain 3 space that we began the round with, chain 2, single crochet in the third chain of the beginning chain 3 to join. And this is what your work should look like at the end of round 5. You should have 4 chain 3 corners and 20 chain 1 spaces. Now, your homework for next week, we're going to fasten off at the end of this round for the first motif, then make a second identical motif, but do not fasten off at the end of round 5. And you may think, oh, we're going to join these together with join as you go technique. No, we're going to do something totally different. So try not to guess and jump ahead. I'm going to show you something really cool and really different next week in the next video. So your homework is to work this round through round 5, fasten off, then work a second motif through round 5 and leave it just like this for beginning the next section of our Mystery Crochet Along September crochet bag pattern. I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to join me next week for the next section of the Mystery Crochet Along crochet bag pattern. Let us make time to create, share, and inspire today and every day. I'll see you in the next video.